Alright, doing a little flatbedding today. I believe we're putting an oversized load on the deck. Big trench plates or trench boxes, I'm sure. Usually what I haul for these guys. But they said I'm going to be 10 foot today, so we'll see what the load looks like.
Baby, cover me. Come here, close my eyes. A universe to see. Give me home. You can see me home. Give me sing. The beauty of the stage. Come now over me, nurse me back to sleep. Sweetness of the dark will go into deep. Give me home. You can.
Alright, we're loaded up. Strapped down, signs and flags are on, flashers are on, let's roll.
Shadows in the light, diamonds in the dirt. Madness, lucidity, salvation of the hurt. Give me home. You can sing me home. Give me sing. The beauty of the stage.
Wide open spaces in the rolling hills. Anytime. There's more than a handful of little farm towns I roll through on this highway. Pretty much all of them are centered around the grain elevators. I feel like some of the old farm trucks. It's a nice W900A right there. There's a wide spot in this town. Really get a chance to check out my straps and my flags and everything. It's a narrow highway, really haven't had a chance. No wide shoulders or anything to pull off. Heavy at all today. I think he said we're maybe 30,000 pounds on the deck today. So, what I'm used to, that's pretty light. I've only hauled maybe a dozen loads for these guys so far, but I haven't minded it. Actually kind of like it a little bit. Something different every time. Different job sites. Corner here in town. I love these little towns. The highway doesn't go straight through them. You know, you come in and then all of a sudden you got to take a right at a stop sign to stay on the main highway. Pretty narrow. industry term for these, but they're like trench boxes, you know, and they're doing in-ground work. They put the boxes in the hole for the guys that work in between, you know, so they got a safe space, don't have to worry about the trench collapsing on them. So you got big steel sides and pipe that spread them apart. They call them the spreader pipe. So right now they're basically collapsed, you know, stacked on top of each other, and the spreader pipe is separate. I've hauled several loads of these so far. They haven't been too bad to haul, and they sure vary a lot in size. These are the first ones I've had that are over width. Biggest ones I have on here are 10 by 12, so it'll be 10 feet deep, you know, 12 feet long, and then however wide they spread with the spreader pipe. Let's say the last load I had ones that were 8 by 20, 8 feet deep and 20 feet long, so yeah, they vary a lot in size. They strap down pretty easy. One thing I had that was, you know, kind of a bit of a challenge hauling for these guys at the beginning was steel plates. You know, like the kind they put down on the road that you drive over. I'm trying to remember their dimensions. They were, I want to say they were 8 feet wide, 8 by 10 or 12 or something. I don't quote me on it, it's been months. But they're heavy. And I had a load of those, and I was grossed out. I want to say I had 65,000 pounds on, and they're 1-inch thick plates, so we had all those chained down to the deck. I trust straps on those things. Yep, here we got another A truck coming up. Really gonna have to hug the non-existent shoulder again. I did try to load those 10 by 12s a little bit hanging off to the right, so I wouldn't be too far to the center line. Ooh, we got a white spot here, nice. I like that. Normally I come down this road with a belt trailer, I'll potted soil down to this far. And even then, you know, it's such a narrow, windy farm highway that you pretty much got to hug the shoulder when you meet another truck on this road. But how much these hills just really roll all throughout the fields. And they farm all of those. It's mostly wheat, canola, I'm trying to remember, down here, mostly grains. Try not to run my jigs through small towns. I don't want to be one of those guys. get down here. There's no job site, no equipment, no contractors yet. And just got off the phone with them. Job got delayed, so they pushed it back. And told him when I was already here, he might see about getting me unloaded. A contractor just showed up. He's gonna get a loader down here, get me unloaded, so that's good. I mean, you get paid the same, but I always hate taking a load back. That sucks. All right, they showed up with a loader. That's a job got delayed, but they are working across town, so they came over and got me unloaded. Good deal. Time to head back. See what's next today.